program on unleashing your creativity. Hello, I am Pradeep Agarwal. E04 Unleash Your Creativity. You are listening to an audio-activated program on unleashing your creativity, brought to you by the Institute of Mind Control and Development. What is creativity? Simply put, it is the ability to be productive, to create and to express oneself in an original way. Some people think that creativity is something that we are born with. While this may be true to an extent, we must not overemphasize this. Creativity is essentially a skill, and like any other skill, it too can be developed through proper guidance and practice. And this is what this program is all about. Through the process of imagery and affirmations, you will be awakened to your true potentials and ability. Now, find a comfortable chair to sit. It is effective to sit in an upright chair with your feet flat on the floor, your spine straight, and palms resting on your lap. Never listen to the side of the table while driving a car or operating a machine. You may do this exercise lying down on a bed if you wish to do so. After the cassette finishes, you will come out of it feeling refreshed, confident, and very positive and full of energy. During this exercise, you will be fully alert of your surroundings and fully conscious of your thoughts. If at any time you feel uncomfortable or wish to discontinue the exercise, just count from 1 to 5 and open your eyes. You may wish to listen to this programming with headphones to enhance its effect. Okay, let us begin. Now, close your eyes. Roll your eyeballs upward and take 3 long, slow, deep breaths. And begin to relax. Deep breathing is like a deep inner cleansing. It purifies your body. It purifies your mind. Imagine yourself surrounded by a warm, sensuous, white glowing light, radiating comfort and warmth throughout your body. Its soothing vibration is relaxing, massaging you, relieving all tension from within. Breathe slowly and deeply. Let the warmth of the light penetrate you. Let it relax your body. Let it flow freely through your body. Be aware of your slow, calm, regular, deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Good. The white light surrounds you, making you feel very, very good. Inhale and exhale. If there is any remaining tension, focus the white light energy there and let the warmth massage it away. Good. Take long and slow deep breaths. Fill your lungs completely and release. Let go. Good. Now I want you to imagine yourself on a sandy beach of a peaceful tropical island. Visualize the scene as I am describing to the best of your ability, creating every detail of these pictures in your mind. Make them real. Perceive the sounds and smells that accompany your impressions and sense the feeling that this environment generates within you. All right, it is almost sunrise. The sky is just dark enough for you to see the last few stars. The palm trees that line this tropical beach are swaying gently with the wind. Experience the fresh, cool breeze. You are totally at peace. All your mental and physical desires are satisfied, and you experience this environment in total harmony. So watch the stars, the palm trees, totally experience this peaceful environment. And as you do, feel your physical body relaxing, beginning with both of your feet at the same time. Feel your feet relaxed and heavy. Allow the relaxing power move on up to your legs and then to your thighs, relaxing all the muscles it passes through. And as you observe this beautiful environment, feel the relaxing power massage and relax both of your hands, arms, shoulders, and your neck, permeating every cell and atom as it passes through. Now allow a little space between your jaws and feel this area relax. This is a region where tension and stress gather. Just let go and relax. Just let go and relax. And now I will provide you with some very powerful suggestions which will be accepted by your subconscious mind and acted upon. At this relaxed level, your subconscious is open and receptive to positive suggestions. So relax and allow these words to flow into your subconscious mind. They will stay there and work from there for you. You are a creative person. You are a creative person. You have a remarkable insight. You have a remarkable insight. New ideas flow to you freely. New ideas flow to you freely. You discover new ways to do things. You discover new ways to do things. Your mind is free. Your mind is free. You trust your intuition. You trust your intuition. You profit from your ideas. You profit from your ideas. Your mind is focused and you pick up ideas quickly. Your mind is focused and you pick up ideas quickly. Everything you do stimulates your creativity. Everything you do stimulates your creativity. Creativity surges through your mind and body like electricity. Creativity surges through your mind and body like electricity. You look for unique ways to solve problems. You look for unique ways to solve problems. You feel like a creative genius, and you are a creative genius. You feel like a creative genius, you are a creative genius. Every day, you are becoming more and more creative. Every day, you are becoming more and more creative. Every time you listen to this tape, you reach a step further towards the accomplishment of your goal. Every time you listen to this tape, you reach a step further towards the accomplishment of your goal. These powerful affirmations have been communicated to every level of your body and mind. You are open to these communications, which you will accept and act upon. They are powerful and they help you increase your creativity dramatically. You are now in a state of deep relaxation. This is the perfect state to be in for visualization. Visualization is not ideal wishing or daydreaming. It is a practical method to discover and receive all you want from your life. Visualization trains your mind to focus on what you truly want, to focus on those people, places, and things which fulfill your personal desires. It is your birthright to fulfill all your desires. Visualization supports your faith and ability to realize each and every one of them. The people and places in your visualizations may change, but their roles and sensations will stay exactly as you imagine them. When you combine a sharp mental picture with a strong desire to bring it into your life, you will discover the incredible creative powers of your subconscious mind. Desire and belief are the keys which train your visualizations to reality sooner than you think. Make your visualization real. Feel, taste, smell, hear. Do this now in your mind's eye. Now imagine yourself in a spectrum of colorful energy that surrounds and surges through your body. Now, with your current project in your mind, just imagine yourself walking down a busy street, full of intent and determination to reach your destination soon. You reach a crossing and the light changes from green to red. While you wait for the light to again turn green, you tell yourself that the red light is only temporary. You take this opportunity to breathe deeply and relax. While you do this deep meditative breathing, you notice the surrounding neighborhood, which includes a beautifully landscaped park across the street. You begin to notice how beautiful the day is and begin to feel a new and healthy energy flow through your body. Now reflect on your project in the most positive way. Visualize yourself approaching your project with a new and fresh creative energy, a new and fresh energy that is calming, soothing and relaxing. The more relaxed you feel, the more enthusiastic and creative you become. And now you see that the light has changed from red to green. We are now free to go ahead. All restrictions have been lifted. All obstacles are gone. And you are free to flow. Enjoy this new energy for a while. I will be back shortly. Now, repeat after me the following suggestions, which replace all limiting thoughts and beliefs. Remember, positive thoughts attract positive results. At this relaxed level, your subconscious is open and receptive to positive suggestions. So relax and allow these words to flow into your subconscious mind. They will stay there and work from there for you. I am a creative person. I am a creative person. I have a remarkable insight. I have a remarkable insight. New ideas flow to me freely. New ideas flow to me freely. I discover new ways to do things. I discover new ways to do things. My mind is free. My mind is free. I trust my intuition. I trust my intuition. I profit from my ideas. I profit from my ideas. My mind is focused and I pick up ideas quickly. My mind is focused and I pick up ideas quickly. Everything I do stimulates my creativity. Everything I do stimulates my creativity. Creativity surges through my mind and body like electricity. Creativity surges through my mind and body like electricity. I look for unique ways to solve problems. I look for unique ways to solve problems. I feel like a creative genius, and I am creative genius. I feel like a creative genius, and I am a creative genius. Every day, I am becoming more and more creative. Every day, I am becoming more and more creative. Every time I listen to this tape, I reach a step further towards the accomplishment of my goal. These powerful affirmations have been communicated to every level of your body and mind. You are open to these communications, which you will accept and act upon. They are powerful and they help you increase your creativity dramatically. And now, I am going to give you some key trigger words for post-hypnotic conditioned response. Whenever you want to feel an additional burst of creative energy, you simply close your eyes, breathe deeply, and say these words to yourself. Creative waves. The words creative waves are a conditioned response key to your subconscious mind. And when you say these words, you draw upon the unlimited resources of your subconscious mind to support you in the fulfillment in your desires. And every time you hear this programming and use the creative wave response key, it will become more and more powerful. And now, I shall count from 1 to 5. At the end of the 5th count, you will open your eyes and will become alert, awake, refreshed, and ready to take on the world. 1. Your body is now feeling lighter and lighter. 2. Your whole body is getting refreshed, lighter, and revitalized. Your eyes are light, fresh, and revitalized. 4. Your arms and legs are light and revitalized. And 5. Open your eyes. You are wide awake, fully alert, and ready to take on the world.